Alright, let's look at the homework 2.7, problem number 2. Alright, let's find the dy over dx using implicit differentiation. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we're going to take the derivative here. Alright, so we're going to take the derivative with respect to x. Alright, so we have, let's see, we have here two things multiplied together. I'm going to group 5 and x together and y cubed. So we're going to use a product rule to take the derivative. Alright, derivative of 5x would be just 5. Then multiply by the second guy, so it's a product rule, so y cubed. Plus, first guy is 5x. Then we take the derivative of y cubed with respect to x. So it's going to be 3y squared. But since we're taking a derivative with respect to a different variable, we need to multiply by dy over dx. So that's by chain rule, right? Alright, then we have the second term is also a product, so I'm going to take a negative x squared and a y. Alright, so using the product rule, derivative of the negative x squared would be negative 2x times the second guy is y, and then first guy is negative x squared, then multiply by derivative of y, which is just going to be dy over dx. Right, and then this is going to be equal to derivative of the constant is 0. So we have that. Right, then we're going to group the terms with dy over dx together. So we have, let's see, so there's this guy, this term, and this terms has the dy over dx. And so we take these rest of the term and shove it to the other side. So this guy here, and shove it to the other side like that. Alright, so to do that, let's see. So in order to get rid of 5y cubed, we can just subtract 5y cubed from both sides. And the negative 2xy, so we can simply add 2xy. Alright, then you can see that the first thing is I'm going to, here you have dy over dx, dy over dx is in common. So I'm going to pull those guys out. Alright, so we have dy over dx. Alright, then we have, alright, so 5 times 3, so 15. Then you have x y squared, right? Then here you have minus x squared, so minus x squared, right? Then on the other side, we'll have, let's see, adding 2xy, so you have a 2xy, and then we are subtracting 5y cubed, right? Then, since what we're looking for is dy over dx, I'm going to divide through by this quantity there. So I'm going to divide by quantity 15xy squared minus x squared. Right? So this is going to give you dy over dx is equal to 2xy minus 5y cubed over 15xy squared minus x squared. Right? So let's type it in. Alright, so what we got was 2xy minus 5y cubed, right? And all over 15 xy squared minus x squared. All right, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.